Happy New Year! What's up mga besh, mga bay, mga dudong, mga inday, and welcome to another year, and happy New Year to each and every one of you. So, I'm so excited for this year. Yeah, just gonna talk, have some chika time. Tell me how you celebrate the first day of the year. So, yeah, roll the intro. So today, for those who are asking if it's the right year for them to start their YouTube channel or maybe to do some things, to do some activities that they want to do, and I think this is the best time. I think this is the best year. The COVID-19, the pandemic is almost, hopefully, it's almost gone and we can go back to our travel days. I'm so excited to travel na. Guys, so hopefully matapos na itong pandemic and makapag-travel na po tayo. So, this year, I have 4 things that you should never forget. And first is, don't forget that you can start late. So, it's okay to start late. It's never too late to start naman yan. Like Colonel Sanders, the founder of KFC, he already started his business in his old age. So, we have different timelines for everyone. So, it's never too late to start new things. Like starting your YouTube channel. I think this is the best time to start your YouTube channel. Even though you may think that it's oversaturated, so many new channels now or people are in the YouTube industry in being a content maker. Actually, YouTube channels have their different niches. So you don't worry about a thing. And besides, if you have better quality, uniqueness on your channel, then you have some loyal and permanent subscribers to you. So 2, you can start over. This year, you can start over. Forget all the past, all those broken relationships, past pains, forgive and forget, and start over this year. It's a brand new start. You can start maybe your own business. You can start your own YouTube channel. You can start over. And this year, it's better because you already learned from your past mistakes. You have already learned from your past failures. And this year, with all those learnings, you can be better. Yeah, I believe in you. Third, you can be unsure. Try new things. Explore. Like what I've done to my page and my channel. Change my name. So I'm not sure about what's going to happen. Maybe loss of followers, loss of subscribers, but I'm not sure. But then I tried. So it's okay to be unsure of the things sometimes because maybe sometimes the things that we are sure or we are certain may not be exactly what we expect it to be. And sometimes the things that we aren't sure are the things that will surprise us, that will amaze us because it will deliver or it will have a great result or impact in our decisions. So it's okay, be unsure. And last but not the least, try and fail. You can try and fail. It's okay to try and fail this year. It's a year of trial and error. You can do experiment things because we all suffer from this pandemic. And I've noticed and I've realized I've seen things that I've never seen before. Families are more connected. People getting more creative because this pandemic, they have more time to themselves. They have more time to their families. They have more time to rediscover their inner talents, their inner So it's okay to try and fail because you never know what will happen. You never know that those failures can give you or can make you a better person because no better sailman sail in a safer waters. Just remember that. And also, this year, I have some advice of your time. Use your time well. Use your time for productivity and never waste your time. I tell you guys, you have enough time. You have 168 hours per week, 40 hours at work, 7 hours at the gym, 56 hours sleeping, and 65 hours left. Damn that motorcycle. So stop wasting your time and start working on your goals this year. And also, would like to share my 4 things I follow in life. Yeah, I don't live in rules, but there's just these few things that I follow, and yeah, every time I do things, I based it in these things. So I'm just gonna share it to you. Just give you some idea. So, rule number 1, never trade your time for money. I'm not saying that you should not work for somebody else, but what I'm saying is just try to work for yourself and use that time on working on your goals, not their goals, but your goals. So time is very important. It's very precious one. You can't take time back. Hindi mo na mababalik yung oras na nawala sa iyo, pero yung perang nawala sa iyo makikita at mababalik din sa iyo. So rule number 2, that is why you have multiple streams of income. So you should not stick on one source of income. This year, try to look for another sources of income, sidelines, photography, blogging, YouTube, etc. And you'll thank me one day. It will really help you building that emergency funds and other things that you wanted to buy because you have some extra or spare money in your wallet, in your bank. So having those multiple streams of income can save you from rule number 1, which is never trade your time for money. Third, never spend anything you don't need. Some people tend to spend their money on things that they want but they don't really need. Okay, there's a difference on having or saying that you want this, then you need this. If you want these things, make sure that it can really affect your way of life if you don't have these things. Needs is your basic needs: food, water, shelter, air, clothes. If you have some extra clothes, you don't need to buy any ones. If you have a usable phone, you don't have to bring the latest iPhone or the latest phone in the market just to level up your status quo. You don't need that one. You want it, but you don't need it. So try spending your money on the things that you need rather than the things that you want. Alright? Maybe I'm good at this, no? Motivational speaker. Let's go! The most important rule of all, don't forget to enjoy. Life is simple. Life is just meant to be fun, meant to be enjoyed. And sometimes so many problems are bombarded to us. We've experienced so many failures, frustrations, pains, heartaches. But yeah, don't forget to enjoy life. At least travel once a week, once a month, once a year. Once a year, patay. Enjoy life in your own little ways. Enjoy little things when you travel with your friends, with your family. Enjoy the air, the trees, the flowers. Just enjoy the simple things of life. And in that way, you can appreciate the better and bigger things. Amen. So, last thing, I have a message to those who are stuck, like they have suffered loss, they have suffered so much pain last year, and I'm telling you guys that you need to let go, you need to move on. So if you are stuck, listen to this. You're not stuck, you're just patterned or nasanayan mo na yung old life mo, old habits, the old formula that you are using. And sometimes those formula are not helpful anymore. They are being harmful. So you need to adapt to changes, learn to see the brighter things, and yeah, time will heal everything. So you need to trust the process, let go slowly, and travel more. You never know, you may meet some people that will help you speed up the recovery. You will meet some people who will guide you, motivate you, inspire you, and maybe you'll be happy again. So, it's a new year, it's a new day, it's a new life, new hopes, and it's a new name for my channel. So, once again guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like and love this video. If you do so, please do hit the like, and if you aren't subscribed, subscribe down below. Click that notification bell button so you won't miss any updates. So, until next time, this is Godfrey and you are watching 97.1 Routine with Olympic Sila Atuli by my radio. So, thank you guys, and hopefully also stay tuned for more videos. This year, I'll be striving to post at least 3 or 4 times a week. Wow! So, help me reach 1,000 subscribers, and hopefully you'll help me create more videos, tutorials, tips and tricks, reviews, travels. I so very excited to travel this year. And guys, see you in the next one. How to cut the outro. Yeah. Sponsored by Canon.